Mr. William Samoei Ruto, listen and listen to me very carefully. Najua kulala jana with your rogue government yesterday. What you saw at Uhuru Park yesterday, those are not edited videos. Those are not edited clips. Those are really clips which you saw yesterday from Uhuru Park. And don't be deceived by anybody. I know your guys. I know those guys. They will deceive you that those are edited videos. Take this to the nearest bank and keep it for future reference. Kama utatafuta njia ya control this young generation, they will make you a one-term president. Kama ukuleta wale magoons wako wa prank kwa this peaceful demonstration, William Ruto sahi, this young generation wangekuchukua nyumbani. Let me tell you for free, this young generation for 1 week wangekuchukua nyumbani kama si magoons wako leta ukaprank. Walinyamanza. Now I want to advise you, Mr. President. Tafuta njia yenye mnaweza kaa mcontrol this young generation, or else they are going to make you to be a one-term president. I want to be very honest with you, because your guys, they are lying to you. They don't want to tell you the truth, but this is the truth I'm telling you. These pictures you saw yesterday, hizo ni picture ambazo ziko real and was real from Uhuru Park. Don't be deceived, your guys. There's nobody, Mr. President, there's nobody who is sponsoring this young generation. Remember, ani watu ambao wamesoma, ani watu ambao wako very wise. These are guys that are brilliant. So there's nothing you can lie to them, Mr. President. If you cannot control these guys right now, Mr. President, because wamepata support kutoka mosque, kutoka all churches, from their parents, from the majority, from Kenyans, so they get that support. This is a real revolution. Mr. President, amuka kutoka ndoto zako. This is a real revolution. And if you still believe that you will joke with this young generation, uliona kenye kilifanyika jana. I have my advice to this young generation. This young generation, William Ruto ajalala, na kitu nataka kuona anaanza kufanya na atakuja kufanya, atawanyima this ID. Msiongoje iwe too late. Share this information to your fellow guys. Mwanze kushika ID right now. Mwanze kushika hizo voting card, sababu vile mnaendelea kufanyia William Ruto, you are going to make William Ruto to be a one-term president. Na yeye hataacha. Ata make sure kwamba kwa next year, maybe for the next 1.5 years, hizi ID hazitakuwa, ama kuna ile delayment la hizi ID kutoka, wasema machine imeharibika. So I know William Ruto how he usually operates. So hizo ndio kitu, hizo ndio zera peke yake zinaweza toa William Ruto kwa presidency. Msiwe kama South Africa. There were too many. We thought that Marema atachukua kitu, but ikifika wakati wa kura, they were nowhere to be seen. So I want to urge my chances. Shika ID na this voting card. Number 2, Mr. President, kitu nataka kuambia, angalia vile unaweza control this young generation. Don't be deceived. They are not being sponsored by anybody. If you see that these guys are being sponsored, arrest ule mwenye anago sponsor. And they will make sure that they have made you to be a one-term president. Don't joke with this young generation. Mr. William Ruto, ani watu ambao wamekasirika, ani watu ambao wamesoma. These are brilliant guys. Ani watu ambao wako jobless, wako tu hapo nje. These guys are innovative. These guys are very sharp. Mr. William Ruto, look and means possible which you can engage this young generation. I want to tell you for free. Sababu hautashinda, wamekasirika na wameamua kama ni mbaya ni mbaya. Mr. William Ruto, usione wakati ulioengage kwa X-Space ukaleta Hussein Mohamed akakontrol akapatia kina Robert Arae, hiyo ni dhihirisho kwamba wamekasirika. They are annoyed with you, Mr. President, because you bought those guys. Uliwanunua, you gave them money. These guys cannot be bought. You cannot scare these guys. You cannot arrest them. You cannot intimidate them. Uliona wale ambao walikufa, walileta hizo misaraba waliweka hapo. Don't joke with these guys, Mr. President. Zile vitu ulifanyia wazazi wetu si hizi vitu ambao unafanyia hawa. These are learned guys. You cannot scare them. Angalia vile walimobilize jana. Angalia from nowhere Uhuru Park ilijaa. Alafu unakuja unasema they are being sponsored. My friend William Ruto. These guys, they can mobilize themselves. They can do what they want. Kesho wakiamua waseme wataenda kwa hizi ofisi, these are corrupt offices, wataenda huko, watachaza huko. And there's nothing you can do. Angalia vile walijipiga maselfie with the policemen. Walijipiga. These are guys that are very friendly with the police. The only problem you have is to misuse the police once kupiga peaceful demonstrators. Angalia walijipiga maselfie, wakachanganya na wao. They were happy. Waliwapatia escort, wakaenda. Mr. President, you cannot take these guys anywhere. You cannot stop them. They can mobilize themselves. They are leaderless. They are jobless. So there's nothing you can tell them. Ruto, you must figure out how to deal with this young generation. But mambo ya kuarrest, my friend, haita work. So that was my advice I want to give you this morning. Hii mambo ya ujinga, watu wako na kiburi. Na nakwambianga Mr. President, au watu wako na kiburi waanze kujiprepare kwamba wataenda nyumbani. Angalia akina Ichung'wah. Ulikuwa unafikiria ya kwamba utamenta akina Ichung'wah, akina sijui Osoro, akina sijui Mohamed Hari kutoka Coast, and then alafu these guys waanze kufigure out ati waanze kuona kwamba unamenta vijana. Let me tell you Mr. President today. Unaona akina Silvanus Osoro, akina Ndindi Nyoro, akina Kimani Ichung'wah, these young guys, they are the enemy of this young generation. Kama unafikiri, I will come with that analysis. Nikwambia kwamba these guys, these young generation leaders, my friend, they will find it rough on the ground. Na usiseme sikukwambia Mr. President.